Welcome back to the Pastor Study, and today we're going to be taking a short look at Psalm chapter 80. And here again, the psalmist in writing says, "Oh, give ear, shepherd of Israel." Calling God that shepherd, the one who watches over the flock. But also he talks about the dressing of a vine. Now, I don't know a lot about vineyards, but I know that if you have a vineyard, if you have vines, grapevines, any kind of vine, even strawberry vines, you have to go in and trim them regularly so that they will produce the fruit. We had strawberries growing up, and every year after the strawberries were all done, you spent the rest of the summer going through and picking out the runners and the shooters, the extra vines that tried to grow. And you think, wow, more plants, more vines, more fruit, right? No, it was, maybe you had more fruit, but it was poor quality fruit, smaller fruit, not as tasty fruit. And let me tell you, nothing beats those big, giant strawberries. So the psalmist is saying, God, you're the one who trims us. You're the one who needs to take care of us, and he's crying out. He says, you've removed us as a vine from Egypt, but now we need your trimming. We need your care. We need you to be watching over us. How about you? Are there some things in your life that you need to yield to the pruning shears of God? Maybe some things that you need to say, God, please cut this out. It's producing an unhealthy fruit. I'm not producing the kind of fruit you want. I'm only doing what I want, and I'm running wild. So today is a great day to cry out to God and say, God, trim from my life those useless vines that ruin the fruit for your glory. Until next time in the Pastor's Study, I'm Ray Bertolet.